Are you in the market for a new jigsaw for your woodworking projects? Look no further than our comprehensive guide to the best jigsaws. In this video, we'll review the top 5 jigsaws on the market, compare their features and performance, and offer our expert recommendations to help you choose the right one for your needs. And don't forget to check the links in the description box for more information and to share your own experiences and recommendations in the comments section below. Now, let's get started.
Contractors and woodworkers wanted a powerful and compact jigsaw with less vibration, so MAKITA answered with a 6.5 amp top-handle jigsaw. The JB0600K delivers power and performance with less vibration in a more compact size. It has a powerful 6.5 amp motor, engineered to provide accurate cuts in a variety of materials, with a variable speed control dial to match the speed to the application, and a counterbalance system engineered inside the tool for less vibration. The saw has a well-balanced design that weighs only 5.2 pounds, with an ergonomic rubberized soft grip and 2-finger trigger for increased comfort. Additional features include a convenient toolless blade change and a dust port for optimal dust management.
BOSCH is the acknowledged worldwide leader in jigsaw technology, and the powerful 6.0 amp top-handle BOSCH JS260 Jigsaw is another example. The BOSCH JS260 Jigsaw features a heavy-gauge steel footplate that can withstand tough cutting applications, and a precision-machined plunging mechanism and low-vibration design for enhanced accuracy and smooth operation. The variable speed control includes a dial on the trigger of the tool that sets maximum speed, and an accelerator trigger controls operating speed. The BOSCH exclusive multi-directional blade clamp provides superior grip of T-shank blades, while a toolless blade change system delivers fast blade insertion. The blade ejection lever eliminates the need to touch a hot blade. 4 orbital action settings provide different blade strokes for smooth to aggressive cuts, and an always-on dust blower keeps the cutting line clear. An ergonomic top handle and 2-finger trigger provide a versatile, comfortable grip. An easy access lock-on button is great for steady long cuts, user comfort, and control. The BOSCH JS260 is a powerful, versatile jigsaw with an ergonomic top-handle design. So this is the BOSCH JS260 6.0 amp top-handle jigsaw. For more information, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of BOSCH jigsaws.
Make precision cuts with the CRAFTSMAN V20 20-volt max jigsaw. The variable speed trigger offers incredible control, while 3 orbital settings let you change the cut aggressiveness for different materials, and a beveling shoe adds to the versatility, allowing for angled cuts. A dust blower gets rid of debris on the cut line, improving your line of sight. The contoured handle makes it comfortable to hold, and it's easy to hang up out of the way when you're finished. Add the V20 20-volt max jigsaw to your toolbox today. CRAFTSMAN, we build pride.
The 133606 Orbital Jig Saw is a powerful and versatile tool that can handle various cutting tasks. With a 6.6 ampere motor, it has a cutting capacity of 4 and 1/4 inches, making it suitable for small and large projects. The built-in laser and LED light make it easy to see your cutting line, while the onboard dust blower keeps your work area clean and clear of debris. This jigsaw features a 4-in-1 orbital selection, allowing you to adjust the blade motion to suit different materials and cutting tasks. The included 6-inch rip fence and beveling footplate provide additional support and precision, while the quick-release chuck and 1.5-inch dust port make blade changes and dust collection easy and convenient. Overall, the 133606 Orbital Jigsaw is a reliable and versatile tool perfect for both professional and woodworking projects.
The BLACK+DECKER BDEJS300C Jig Saw is a powerful and versatile cutting tool designed to handle various materials with ease. Its 3x4-inch stroke length allows for efficient cutting through different materials, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The 4.5 ampere motor generates up to 3,000 strokes per minute, providing ample cutting power for quick and precise results. One of the key features of this electric jigsaw is its easy maneuverability and reduced vibration. This ensures greater control and comfort during prolonged use, minimizing user fatigue and enhancing overall cutting accuracy. Additionally, the beveled cuts baseplate can tilt up to 45 degrees, enabling the saw to make beveled cuts, adding versatility to your projects. Thanks for watching our video on the best jigsaws. We hope you found it helpful in your search for the perfect jigsaw for your projects. If you want to learn more about any of the products we featured, check the links in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tool reviews and buying guides.